Welcome back everyone to Purely Nomad. I'm Yash and this is day 4 of exploring Colorado. Today's adventure is packed with stunning views, spontaneous detours, and of course, plenty of twisty mountain roads. We are starting the day with a quick trip to Garden of the Gods. And let me tell you, this place feels like stepping into a postcard. Towering red rock formations surrounded by the golden glow of fall. What a way to kick things off. As we ride through the Garden of the Gods, the scenery is just surreal. These dramatic sandstone formations against the backdrop of Pikes Peak are absolutely breathtaking. It's hard to believe this is right next to Colorado Springs. A quick spin through here and we are back on the road heading towards our next destination. Now, the ride to Cottonwood Pass is nothing short of magical. Classic Colorado roads with sweeping views of mountains and valleys felt just like a scene straight out of a travel magazine. But wait, this is where the adventure takes a fun twist. We spot a small dirt road that led to a hidden gem called Cottonwood Lake. And when you are on an adventure like this, how can you not explore? Pulling up to Cottonwood Lake, we are greeted by calm, crystal clear waters surrounded by golden aspens. It's one of those classic moments that wasn't planned but felt like it was meant to happen. This is the kind of impromptu detour that makes a motorcycle trip unforgettable. After the lake, we are back on the road, but not for so long. The stunning fall colors alongside a winding creek were too good to pass up. So out comes the drone for a quick flight, and wow, the aerial views were just incredible. The golden aspens, the flowing river, it's Colorado showing off in every possible way. Let's take a look. And then we arrive at Cottonwood Pass. Sitting at over 12,000 feet, this place is a showstopper. Surrounded by towering peaks and endless open skies, it is one of those spots that make you stop and soak it all in. The ride to the top was an absolute dream, with winding roads and stunning scenery at every turn. But the views from up here? They're pure Colorado magic, breathtaking, humbling, and unforgettable. This is the kind of spot that makes every mile worth it, a moment you just want to freeze in time. I highly recommend this place for your next Colorado trip. Heading down from the pass, we find ourselves in Taylor Park. And wow, this area is absolutely stunning. Picture wide open valleys, shimmering lakes, and those iconic Colorado peaks. We had to stop here to let the drone capture the beauty of this place. The shots we got, some of the best of this trip so far. Let's take a look. As the day winds down, we wrap up part 1 of this journey. From hidden lakes to stunning views, it's been unforgettable. But the best is yet to come. Incredible views on the $1 Million Highway and a grueling ride to San Diego. So stay tuned for part 2. You won't want to miss it. As always, if you liked the video, you know the drill. See you in the next one.